Welcome to our exclusive unboxing and feature review of the Hikvision Advanced Fingerprint Access Control Terminal. Inside the box you will find the device, adapter, user manual, drill template, connecting cables and screws. This device boasts a modern and sleek design. It features a 2.4-inch LCD screen for clear and intuitive operation. In case of power outages, the device supports battery power supply through its bracket, ensuring uninterrupted access control. This terminal supports multiple authentication modes, including card, fingerprint, and PIN authentication. With a capacity of up to 3,000 cards, 3,000 fingerprints, and 100,000 events, it is perfect for buildings, enterprises, financial industries, and other high-safety areas. The device offers wired network, Wi-Fi, and AP mode connectivity. Additionally, it can be integrated with a DC bell and configured seamlessly using a PC web client or a mobile web client. Supporting ISAPI and ISUP 5.0 protocols, this device also allows users to directly transfer registered data to a USB drive. With its advanced features and reliable performance, this device is the perfect upgrade for your access control system.